Now screen is visible, friend, and the voice is audible. Please let me know that. Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, it's network issue is there today. I don't know. So whether some weather problem is here, na, in the Mysore. Okay, so because of that. Okay, so guys. Okay, so local resolver, right? Local. What is the class name? Local change interceptor. Inside that, what is that? So how we can make the request, right? So if any every controller, how we are making that based on the URI, right? So that URI here we will pass inside based on this method, right? Based on this class we will pass those things. Okay now, so for that, what is that? So for that, what the method name is there, right? So method name is there. Okay now, so what is the method name? Param. Param name, right? Param name, that is what string type we will give. Inside that we can give any name, we can give any name. Okay, so but I will give, what is that? I will give what name? I will give just language. We are using the language, right, for the language purpose. So for that param name, I will take anything language, just language means language. Okay na, so for that, okay na, so these object we will perform after, then in the, and these operation we will perform in the application configuration only. That's it, nothing more than else, friend. Okay na, nothing more than else. Okay, so for that, okay, so these operation we will perform. Okay na, these operation we will perform. Okay, so fine. Yeah. Okay, so these operation we will perform, but the thing is how we can local change interceptor we will. So for that one abstract, so for the to activate this local change interface, right, we will extend, right, we will extend in the application configuration one more class is there, friend. Okay na, so one more given by whom? Spring framework, right? Interface, that is also, what is that? Interface. So org, who is given that interface? Who is given the interface? Okay na, so for that, okay, come and see that. Okay, so this is the last discussion, friend. Okay na, last area I'm going to spring sf.org, right? Spring framework.org. That interface name is what? Web MVC configurer, right? Web MVC configurer. What is the name of this interface? Web MVC configurer. Yeah, this is the interface, right? This is the interface. Based on this interface, what we can perform inside this interface, one method is there. One method is there. What is the method name? I'll tell. Okay, add interceptor, right? Add interceptor means this interceptor we will add inside that based on this interface only. Based on this interface, the method name is what? The method name is what? Add inter interceptor, right? Interceptor. Okay, so this is the method name, right? Inside that, after then where we will implement this one, where we will implement in the, already we have, what is that class, right? Which class? Application configuration, right? Application configuration. Okay, so come here. Okay na, I will show that. Okay na, so we have already what is that? Com.rk dot, what is that? Config class. We have already config class where we are writing the prefix and the suffix of internal resource view resolver or not. So for that, okay, so fine, come and let's see that. Okay na, so what I app config, the class name I given, what is that? Already app config, right? Okay, so inside that, what we will extend this interface. Okay na, we will implement this interface. Okay na, we will make the easy relation between, what is that? Is a relation between what? This interface between this our application class. Okay na, so for that, okay, so okay, fine, friend. So all implementation, right? Whatever object we have need to write one application, right? To write one internationalization application. I implemented sorry, I wrote each and everything, but how we can read it, how we can read the how we can change, means how we can take that, like come here, right? Come on that here, but we have need to store these things in the property file, friend. Okay na, we have need to store these things in the property file. Okay na. So first what I'm going to do now, first I will take what, I will take what, only one yeah, one property file. After then, based on the language we will implement, and we will see that. Okay na, step to step. Okay na, step to step. But first let's what we will do now, let's set let's do the setup, let's do the setup. Okay na, in the project, in the last project only. Okay na, in the last project only, let's do the setup. Okay na, and we will see that. So far that, okay, where we will do the setup now, where we will do the setup now. But first we have need to what, property file, right? Property file. Actually, I'm going to delete this one. Okay na, because in the last session I already, sorry, I experimented myself only. Okay na. Okay. Okay, so let's see that we will create one, what is that, we will create one what, one property file. Okay now, we will create one property file here. Okay, so I'm taking the file name I'm giving, what is that, message, common name, messages dot, what is that, property, properties, right? This is the properties file name. And we know that in the property file, how we can store the data in the key and the value format, right? We are storing the data in the key and the value format. Okay na, so come here, okay, come here. We have already GSP page, right? We designed the GSP page. Okay na, so employee this one. Okay, so this one. So in this time, what we will do now, I will show that. So this employee language is there, right? We will take this employee language where we will take this employee language in the property file. Okay, friend. So now copy this one. Okay, now I'm copying this one and I'm storing. What is that? What is the first name, right? E name. Just I'm giving the name of E name, right? E name. Okay, na. Just I'm pasting the things here. Okay. So I pasted it. Okay, na. So underscore. Let's give the underscore. Okay. Okay, so another one is what, another one more is there, right? Another one more is there. Okay, so now copy this one, copy this one. Okay na. Okay, so what is the another name? EPWD, PW password, right? PWD. Okay, paste it. Okay na. So now fine. Okay, come here, come here. Okay na. Now this one is what, employee gender, right? Copy this one, copy this one. I will remove from here. Okay na, I will show that. Okay na, we will store, what is that, gen, just I'm giving the key name, and there I'm pasting the things. Okay na, there I'm only pasting the things. Okay friend, so now fine. Okay, fine. So come again, come here. Okay na, what is the another one is what, employee address is there na, employee, copy employee address. Okay, copy it. Okay, so now fine, here, come here. Okay na, what is that, EADDR, just I'm giving, right? EADDR. Okay, fine, I given. Okay, fine. Okay, so now come here, come here. Okay na, employee country is there, right? Employee country, copy now, copy it. Okay, employee country, copy it. ECUCUNT, just count, I'm giving, right now. Okay, fine, this is the country name. Okay, now colon. Okay, fine. So okay, so come here, another one is what, employee language is there, right? Employee language, copy this one. Okay, copy this one. Okay, fine. So for that, ELANG, employee language, just I'm giving. Okay, so this is the employee language, friend. Okay, now fine. Okay, so yeah, everything is fine. Okay now, so these things we will read from the property file. Based on that, we can make this our page as what, internationalization. They based on this one. Okay na, we will make our page as what, internationalization page. Okay na, so this is the Don't worry, each and everything I will implement these things, what implement these things as a Telugu, Kannada, and even if anybody is there from the Nigeria, one person is there, right? I will implement your language also in the project. Don't worry. Okay, na? So fine, friend. Okay. So this is the okay. But to read these things, we have need what we have need, but we have need what is that? Some configuration. I said that, right? So come here. Okay, na? But for that, for the reading purpose, right, for the reading purpose, Spring Form tag library is given what, one more tag. Okay, now one more tag for that. What is that? What is that? Just like Spring, I will give this is the suffix name Spring in the tag, right? 1 minute. Spring colon, right, message, right, message, Spring colon message, code is there, right? Code in the inside that, what we will do now, we will pass that, what is that, this key, whatever key we are taking, right, in the property file, this key we will pass inside that. What is that? We will pass this key inside that, what, inside this argument, right? So for that, then we can able to read the data, means then we can read the data, what is that, this data to our, what is that, page, right? Then we can able to read that page. Okay na? So fine friend. Okay na? So okay, control Z. Now still leave these things. Okay na? Let's do the configuration. Whatever things we now learn. Okay na? Whatever things till now we learn. Okay na? Those things, let's see that. After then again I will explain. I know that this application is little bit big. Okay na? Little bit confusions also will come. Okay na? So don't worry. Till now, until unless if I'm not completing this application, wait and observe the each and everything. Okay na? Because already I explained the concept. Okay na? But I have need to give the implementation also, right? So for that, so okay, so I said that. Okay na? So for, let's come to our application first. Let's come to our application, where application configuration. Okay na? Where in this one, com.rk.config. Okay na? Inside that, open this open application configuration. Okay. Okay, I opened, right? I opened. Now, okay, so let's see that. Okay, so I said that initially only, right? What is that? Number of bean equal to, what is that? Number of method inside that, what? Inside that, what? Application configuration. Okay, friend. So now, okay, come here. Okay, now. So okay, leave these things. Okay, now already whatever configuration, our project configuration is there. Leave those things. Okay, now come here. Okay, now. So come here. What is the class name? Reloadable resource bundle message resource, right? Reloadable, what is that? Reloadable message resource bundle. Okay na? So what is that? Number of method, object equal being equal to, what is that? Number of method. Okay na? So what is that? Reloadable resource bundle, what is that? Message source, right? This is the class name. Okay, wait, computer is hanging now. Okay, yeah, it's came. Okay. Okay, so fine, friend. Okay, so what is that? What is that? Just what is that? What we will give the name? Just I'm giving the name. Okay, na? Make this name as a small. Okay. Okay, this is the method name. Okay, this is the method name. Okay, fine. Return null. Just I'm returning the null. After then I will explain. Okay, now what is that? Okay, so come here. Come on the diagram. What is that? For that, two method is there, right? Two, base name and a default encoding, friend. Okay, na? Base name and a default encoding. For that, what we will do now? Okay, come here. Okay, na? Again, reloadable RRBMS. Okay, na? Okay, this is the R equal to new same object, reloadable resource bundle message. Okay, so fine. Okay, fine. So now, friend, okay, so inside that, what we will do now? Inside that, what we will do now? R dot, what is that? Which method we will take? I already explained. See, base name and a default encoding, right? So what is that? Base R dot base name, right? Set base name. Okay, yeah, this method, one method, and another method is what? See, base name means, sorry, set I did not wrote, but this is the set name. Okay na, friend? Okay na, this is one, this is the set name only. Okay, fine. Okay, another one is, another one more method is there. What is that? R dot, what is that? Default. set default encoding, right? Set default encoding. Okay, so these two methods are there inside that. Okay, come, already I explained. See that what is that? Class path dot messages. What is the? Come here, come here. What I take in the name of property? Messages, right? MESSAGES. Yeah, fine. So that name we will pass inside that. What is that here? Set base name. Inside that base name, what name we will pass it? What name we will pass it? Class path, class path colon, what is that? Messages, right? That's it. Okay na, we will give the property name. Okay, so fine. Another one is what? UTF. I said that UTF hyphen 8, we will use the UTF hyphen 8. Okay na, encoded format. Encoded format we will use it what? UTF hyphen 8. And after then what we will do now? We will return this object. Okay na, we will return this object. This is the only one time setup, only one time we are doing in the real time project also, and we are using that. Okay na. So but how our IOC container will understand? This is the bean configuration. So for that, what annotation we will apply? At the rate bean annotation, right? For that, what we are applying now? At the rate bean annotation. Okay, so far, okay, now one thing is completed, friend. Okay na, so now one thing is completed. So for that, oh, so but this data means this property file is there in the server, right? So how we can expose this property file to our browser? For that, another method. Okay na, come here, come here. Okay na, so for that, what is that? Which object is there? Cookies local resolver, right? Cookies local resolver. Okay, so for that, public, what is that? Cookie, what is that? Cookie local resolver, right? So CLR, just give the CLR. Okay na, cookie local resolver. Okay na, so fine. Okay, friend, so now just copy this one. Okay na, same copy method name, give the method name first letter, make the small letter. You can take anything, friend. Okay na, you can take anything. It's not meaning that. Just I don't want to write that much long name. Okay na, because of that. Okay, so now what I'm doing now? Return null. Just I'm returning null. Later I will return it. Okay na, so fine. Okay, so what is that? CLR, I'm taking the. Okay, so C equal to new, creating, I'm creating the object of this cookie local resolver. Okay, so now fine. Okay, friend. Okay, so now come here, come here. Okay, so where? Yeah, see, what is that? Default local, and what is that? Cookie name. We have need to take, what is that? Two language, right? Two method. Which one? Default local. So come here. Okay na, inside that, what is that? C dot default, set default local, right? Set default local. Inside that, what we will do now? Local, yeah, local dot English. We will take the English by default. ENGLIS, English, right? Okay, by default our language will be English only. Our page language is what? English. Okay na, so after then what we will do now? Cookie name, right? Cookie name. What is the cookie name? Any name, any name. What is that? Come C dot, what is that? Set cookie name. Set, what is that? Cookie name, right? Cookie name. Okay, inside that, just I'm giving, what is that? My cookie, CKY, just my cookie name I'm giving. All data will store in based on this my name only. Okay na, so now what is that? Let's return that. Let's return this one. Okay na, see, just I'm returning this one. Okay, fine. So now what is that? At the rate, what is that? Bean. Okay, fine. So now the two things is completed, friend. Okay na, come here. Another last one is there. What is that? Handler interceptor. Whenever we will click, it's changing that, and it will change based on that request. So for that, what interface? Which one? Which concrete class we are using? Local change interface. Okay na. So for that, come here again. One more. We have need to create. What is that? Public. Oh, sorry. Public. After then what? Another one is what? Public local change interface, right? Local change interceptor, right? Local change interceptor. Okay, so fine. Again, what is that? What we will give the interceptor? Just give the name of this method is what? Interceptor. Okay, okay, fine. So make first letter I will make this one is small. Okay. Okay, now just return it. Now just return it. Okay, null. Okay, so inside that again what we local change interceptor we will take again same things, and L equal to what is that new local change interface. So this method this bean need only based on that in the URL we will make the common local, for that what is that we will make the how we can make the request based on that URL only, right? So we will give that URI. So what is that L dot what is that set param name, set what is that set param name, right? Okay, inside anything you can give, just I'm giving what is that language means lang common, we are performing the language operation only, right? So for that that's it. Okay na? So now we will return this one, what is that we will return this one. Okay na? So now okay fine, okay fine. So how we can make this method as a bean at the rate b bean, we will apply the at the rate bean annotation. Okay na? So now things is completed friend, but the one interface, all object is useless until unless if we not implement what is that, until unless we will not implement what is that interceptor, what is that until unless we will not implement what is that this web embassy configurer interface. Okay, so for that let's implement, where we will implement in the same class only, right? Same class. So for that what is that implement what is that web, what is the name of, what is the name of web embassy configurer, right? Web MVC configurer, right? So now this is the interface. Inside that one method is there friend. Okay na? So we have need to override, and inside that method we will pass this method. Okay na? Then the request will change. Based on the request we can able to change the operation. Okay na? So for that what is that alt shift s plus v, just I'm saying that. Okay na? Which one add interface, this interface, which one we will select add interface. Okay na? This one we will take. Okay na? This method we will take. Okay fine. So friend, okay now fine. Okay, so how we can write, so but still how we can pass this method, how we can pass this method inside that, let's see that. Okay na? Let's see that. Okay, so okay, so what is that, just delete this one, no need friend. Okay na? This is no need. Okay na? So what is that need, just take this method argument, right? What is that registry is there, right? Registry, just place it. Okay, after then what is that registry, after then what we will do now, registry add interface method is there, right? Add interface method is there. Inside that just copy this method, what is that local change interface method, copy this one and paste it here, that's it. Okay na? So now all configuration completed friend. Okay na? So let's see that. Okay na? So let's miss this method we will pass it here, right? This method we will pass here. Okay na? This method we will pass here. Okay na? Based on that we can make the request, and we can able to change the things. Okay na? So don't worry about that, again I will explain. I know that this code is little bit long, right? But after running the application, after completing the practical, right, again I will tell the flow and why we are using this object, what the region, what is the things, each and everything I will explain to you people. Okay na? So now fine. So for but so now fine friends. Okay na? So okay, so how we can make the readable on the see already, right? So what we will do now, just delete it this one. Okay na? Just delete this one. Okay, so for that I said that come here, come again, come here. Okay na? What is the spring message code name, right? So for that, okay, so come on the top, come on the top. Okay, come on the top. Okay, just I'm deleting. Okay na? So for that, okay na? So okay fine friend. Okay, so for that, see that what is that, from here already we imported form tag library for the previous session. So for that, copy is the same thing only friend. Okay na? Copy the same thing. Okay, okay, so what is that, paste it again and remove last form tag, right? Just take the this URL till tag only, and this one make either anything you can take. I'm taking a spring only, right? I'm making the spring only, that's it, that's it. After then come here. Okay na? After then come here, the what is that name, right? This one is the name. Okay, so for that what we will do now, okay, spring here what we will do now, spring, what is the suffix name we taken, spring, right? So that suffix name we will take spring dot, what is that, message, message, right? Message. Inside that what we will do now, just code, right? Another code. Okay, so code. Okay, fine. So